Good afternoon, Matty Mac here. What we're going to do is give you some training today, how to turn your Clickbank offer into a sales funnel. So instead of taking your raw affiliate link and just posting it all over the web, we're going to turn it into a complete earning sales funnel with opt-in pages, mailing lists, follow-up emails, and then you'll be able to sell other offers too. So all you need to do is click the link below. It's going to take you through to a learning page, sort of a tutorial page, and they're just going to be individual videos that you can just go through at your own pace, set up step by step, go through, complete a step, follow the bouncing ball, follow the steps, and just go through at your own pace. Very easy. So what it's going to do is we take your Clickbank offer, we're going to teach you how to set up not one landing page but 2 landing pages, and this is going to allow us to split test the 2 landing pages and see which performs better, and then we can make changes and split test again. We're also going to add in an email sequence. At the moment this is a 4-day email sequence, but we're going to add more a little later on, and different offers as well. It's not just going to be selling emails, there's going to be value emails in there as well. And then we can build our mailing list with this system and continue to sell to our customers in our niche. So all you need to do is click the link below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button here when you go through to the training, and that way when new videos, because this is ongoing, when new videos drop, you'll just be notified that there's a new video there. So jump in, go through step by step, and let's turn your Clickbank offer into an earning sales funnel. It's very easy to do. It won't take very long, a couple of hours work. And once you do it for one offer, you'll just continue to do them for all your offers. It's very easy and very good at earning. So jump in, hit below, and get started with the training.